Good morning and welcome to the Banana Bender Show. Oh, there we go, kids. The compression rings are on, the piston's back in, and we have travel. It moves freely. Real good now, real good. The cam for the valves are set right, but we have come across another development. If you look in here real closely, kids, you can see the bottom of the crank rod coming up and touching the cam shaft. Can you see that? You get a little pointer in there and point it out to you. Right there. It's a bit fucking dark now. Let me get some more light. Alright, in there. The cam lobe is touching the bottom of the crank shaft. So the crank comes up and smashes into the cam. Okay? We get a full rotation while the cam's not in position, but yeah, boom. Okay, let's keep stuck on now. Yeah. So as it comes round, and that cam lobe comes back south, it strikes the bottom of the conrod. Alright. I'd like to get a grinder in there and fix that little doozy up. Alright. That's the progress report so far, kids, on the new steam engine. Yeah. That's how it's going. Slow and steady.